A very good afternoon, children. This is Sabah Khan, your science teacher, and welcome to my science class. Today I am going to teach the students of grade 5 and 6 with the topic of our universe and solar system. So, before starting today's lecture, I would like to tell you the importance of science. Okay, now you have seen my video earlier in my previous video, and now you have to come to know that what is science actually. So today, before starting, I would like to share my experience about science, that why we need it in our life. Okay, so science is a very amazing subject, children. As I always told in my videos before starting anything, that it is based on the experiences, observation and experiments. So I will not make it longer. So coming to the today's point, our today's topic is our universe and our solar system. So before starting, I would like to introduce that what is universe actually. In Hindi, we used to say universe as Brahmand. Okay, so coming back to the topic, children, as I have told that our universe, about the universe, so I just explained this in Hindi, that universe, the simple meaning of the universe is Brahmand in Hindi. So what is universe actually? Universe is the time and time content with the space, including all the things around us like the sun, the planets, and as well as millions of the galaxy as well as the stars. So children, as you can see behind me, that I have pasted a picture here for our universe. This is our beautiful universe. Okay, our universe consists of sun, stars, planet and galaxies. The universe all about of space and time and their contents. So children, it's very simple that universe में आपके जितने भी stars हैं, galaxies हैं, वो सारी include होती हैं. ये पूरा एक system बनाती हैं जिसके अंदर हम survive कर पाते हैं. Alright? Okay, and the center point of our universe is sun. As I have told earlier in my previous video, that sun is the only and ultimate source of energy in the whole of the universe. So that's all about the universe. Now let's see what will be stored in my this video for the further of the interesting facts and acts. So our universe has consist of a proper way of solar system. Okay, so what is solar system actually? It includes the sun and their 8 planets. But many of you having confusion, children, as I have pasted in my behind picture that there are total 9 planets, and if you will go through the further of the information, you will see there were 9 planets in our solar system. But right now Pluto has been replaced as a dwarf planet in 2006. So after that there is only 8 of the planets are left. So coming back to the topic, let's start to explore our solar system. Like the sun is the center part of our solar system, including the first of the planet will be Mercury, then the second planet will be Venus, third one will be the Earth. Okay, next one will be the Mars, then Jupiter, after that Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and the last one was the Pluto. But as I have told, in 2006 NASA has replace this dwarf planet. Okay, so children, I am going to share some amazing facts and acts about each of the planets. It's a very interesting thing, children. You came to know that what are the interesting things stored in our whole of the universe as well as in our solar system. So starting from the first of the planet, that one is Mercury. So it is the hottest, closest planet to the sun, and it has no moon. Okay, the surface temperature of this planet is very hot because it is very close to the sun. Now the next one will be Venus. It has also no moon. It means it has no its natural satellite. So one of the brightest and very beautiful planet, it used to reflect the beauty planet. Okay, so now the Earth, as you know, we are living on the Earth, the only planet in which the life existing. Okay, It is named as the blue planet because it has water, and it has number of moon, or the natural satellite will be only 1. Now the next one will be Mars. It is considered as the red planet because the surface of this Mars has red planet and it has only 2 moons. It is red because of the abundant quantity of the iron dioxide. Okay, coming back to the next of the planet, which is Jupiter. It is the fastest spinning planet and biggest planet of our solar system. The number of the moon of Jupiter have 79. Okay, now let's see what will be the next planet stored up. Saturn. Next one will be Saturn. As you can see, it is known as the ring planet because if you will see the picture of Saturn, you will see it is a planet and a ring around itself. The ring of the Saturn is made up of abundant quantity of dust, some of the ice and some of the clouds. Okay, and it has the number of moon is total 82. Oh my god, children, just imagine that Saturn has 82 moons. It sounds very good now. So next one will be Uranus. It is the stormy planet because the wind speed of this planet is very high. Okay, so the number of the moon is only 27. Next one will be Neptune. Has supersonic wind all time. Number of the moon is 14 only. What is supersonic wind, children? It is a kind of wind in which you will lose your natural balance. Okay, if you have seen a lots of astronaut moving to the space, they used to lose their supersonic balance in the nature. Last one will be Pluto. As I have explained earlier, that dwarf planet, it is arranged in the dwarf planet in 2006. It is reclassified from a planet to a dwarf. So children, I hope you all must know about our universe system and the solar system right now. So see you all next time in my next video with some more of the interesting facts and facts. That's all for today. Thank you very much, children. Goodbye.